Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft 365 business plans and how to choose the best one for your business teams. My name is Iman Masood and I'm the marketing officer at Communication Square. Microsoft 365 is a suite of productivity tools and services that can help businesses streamline their work processes and increase collaboration. With different plans available, it can be challenging to choose the right one. In this video, we will compare the features, benefits, and pricing of Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Business Standard, and Business Premium. So let's dive in. Microsoft 365 Business Basic is the most affordable plan and includes essential productivity tools such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. It also includes Exchange for email and calendar as well as OneDrive for cloud storage. The Microsoft 365 Business Plan is designed for small and medium-sized businesses with basic productivity needs. The pricing for this plan starts at $6 per user per month. Microsoft 365 Business Standard is the mid-tier plan and includes all the features of the Microsoft 365 Business Plan, plus additional collaboration tools such as SharePoint and Microsoft Teams. The plan also includes desktop versions of the productivity tool, which can be installed up to 5 devices per user. The pricing for this plan starts at $12.5 per user per month. Microsoft 365 Business Premium is the top tier plan and includes all the features of the Microsoft 365 Business Standard plan, plus advanced security features such as advanced threat protection and device management. The plan also includes Microsoft Intune, which allows businesses to manage their mobile devices and applications. The Microsoft 365 Business Premium plan is designed for businesses that need advanced security and management features. The pricing for this plan starts at $22 per user per month. When choosing a Microsoft 365 business plan, it is essential to consider your business needs, budget, and future growth plans. If you only need basic productivity tools such as Word and Excel, then Microsoft 365 Business Basic Plan may be the right choice. However, if you need to collaborate across teams and have access to desktop versions of the productivity tools, then the Microsoft 365 Business Standard plan may be a better fit. If your business needs advanced security and management features, then the Microsoft 365 Business Premium plan may be the best choice for you. If you're looking for a Microsoft 365 business plan, it can be helpful to work with a Microsoft Gold partner and community services provider like Communication Square. Communication Square is a leading Microsoft partner that can help you select, implement, and manage the right Microsoft 365 business plan for your business needs. We have a team of certified expertise who can provide guidance on licensing, deployment, migration, and support. Communication Square can also offer customized solutions based on your unique requirements and goals. As a Microsoft Gold partner, Communication Square has achieved the highest level of partnership with Microsoft and has demonstrated expertise in delivering Microsoft-based solutions. We have a proven track record of helping businesses transform and optimize their work processes with Microsoft technology. Whether you need to migrate to Microsoft 365, upgrade your current plan, or leverage advanced features, Communication Square can help you achieve your goal. So there you have it. We hope this video helped you understand the differences between Microsoft 365 business plans and how to choose the best one for your business needs. Remember to consider your business requirements, budget, and future growth plans when making a right decision. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.